Okay, so today we're going to label the plant life cycle. So you're going to need some glue and some scissors and a pencil. You're going to take the paper that you have that looks like this. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to cut off the bottom pieces. Okay, so now you have a paper that looks like that. You'll notice that this paper also has a word bank, and our words for today are sprout, flower, plant, and seed. So we have 4 empty boxes and we have 4 pictures. And we're going to start here at the bottom and then we're going to start placing the pictures in the order that they would happen. And remember, when we were talking about cycles, it means that something just keeps on going and keeps on going and it never ends. It's just one big cycle, one big loop. It's a circle that's never ending. So we're going to fill in the boxes and then we'll talk about the cycle as we go. So the first picture I want you to cut out is this one right here. It looks like a bean, right? It's a seed. We're going to cut that one out. And we're going to glue it into the first box. And you just need a little bit of glue, not a lot, and glue that down. And then underneath that, we are going to write the word seed. S-E-E-D, seed. Okay, the second picture that we're going to cut out will be this one that looks, it has, you can see the seed right there. And, oh, I had it upside down. You can see that the roots have started to grow down into the ground. So we're going to cut out this one. And then we just have 2 left. So this one has all of the roots. And you can see that it has started to sprout just a little bit, okay? We have the roots and the sprouts. We're going to put a little bit of glue. We don't need much. And in this box, we're going to write the word sprout. And oops, I'm going to cross out the word seed so I don't accidentally try to write it again. So now we're going to write sprout. S-P-R-O-U-T, sprout. And we're going to cross that out. And again, you can see the roots have grown down into the ground. And so now the seed has started to sprout up out of the ground. Okay, we have 2 pictures left. And they both have roots, but this one just has a few leaves on it, and this one has a lot more. So we're going to cut out this one that just shows the plant is beginning to grow. And then remember, we just need a little bit of glue. We're going to place the glue there and add it into the top box. So we have our seed, we have the sprout, and now it has grown into a little plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Okay. The very last picture we have left, we can see that the plant now has some little flowers on it, so it has started to flower. So we're going to cut this one out and we're going to put that in the last box that is empty. And remember, you just need a little bit of glue, not much, and we're going to put that in there. And we're going to write flower on this one because we can see that this plant has started to flower. Flower, flower. So we have completed our plant life cycle. So first we plant the seed into the ground and then it begins to grow. It grows roots and then it sprouts up out of the ground. And then eventually turns into a plant. That sprout begins to grow a longer stem and some leaves. And eventually the plant will begin to flower. And then from that, we will get more seeds that will be planted into the ground, that will begin to sprout, that will turn into a plant, and a plant that will then start to flower. And then we get seeds from that plant. So as you can see, this cycle just keeps going and going and going. And that is our plant life cycle.